What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how Elon Musk, one of the most creative and innovative entrepreneurs out there right now, is getting sued by the SEC. So in a little bit later on in this video, we're going to be going on my computer and talking about everything and showing you guys sort of what the situation is and what is happening with this, because the SEC is actually trying to get Elon Musk to be taken off of the executive terms of Tesla. They want to remove him from his own company that he started and that he's brought to where it is now. So we're going to be going through everything on my computer. And guys, those of you that want a store update, I actually filmed that and had it scheduled for today to go up. But then this happened today on Thursday, so I'm filming it right now. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and it's going to be up this morning. So Saturday morning, the store update will go up for all of you that have been waiting for that. And now let's head on my computer. But before that, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new and you haven't seen any of my videos and you want to stay updated. And leave a like if you enjoy my content and been following me for a while. So I'll see you on my computer. So we're here on my computer now, and as you can see, this is a tweet by Elon Musk on August 7th, 2018. It says, "I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420 per share. Funding secured." So basically what he's saying here is that Tesla, which is right now a public company where you can buy and sell stocks, is going to go private at $420 per share, and that he has the funding secured in order to make the company private. And here below it, you see this other tweet by Elon. It says shareholders could either choose to sell at $420 or hold shares and go private. So it's definitely very interesting to see sort of what he was doing by that. And basically what he was trying to do, as far as the SEC goes, is he was trying to manipulate people in order to make the Tesla stock rise. And you know, when he did make this tweet, the Tesla stock did rise because people thought, oh, it's going to go private. You know, I'm not going to be able to invest and be a part of the company. And you know, however the company goes from in the future, you know, if it continues to blow up, then you know they're not going to be able to have that chance to make money off of it. So a lot of people were buying the stock. The price was going up, and it was, you know, good for everybody. So if you don't know what the SEC is, you know, if you don't live in the United States, you probably don't know. It's basically just a federal agency that ensures the security of investors and everything like that has to do with a lot of money and big companies. So there's a lot of theories going around of sort of what's happening and why they sued him. So this is the tweet right here that he got sued for. And if we go here onto this article, I was reading the New York Times, we see that the SEC is actually suing him for making false public statements with the potential to hurt investors. So it's sort of a weird situation right here. So basically what is happening right here is that he made this tweet, you know, over about 2 months ago, that said that he was going to go private, which made the stock price raise, which was good for investors. And now he's getting sued for trying to, you know, commit fraud with his company and stuff like that, which is going to make the stocks go even more down. So if we go here to Tesla stock, you can see the market's closed right here. But right now it is down. Look at that. 270 from 300. Once the market closes, 307, and now it's just going down, down, down. That's probably about 6%, 5%, I'm not sure, but it's definitely a big drop. You know, $30 times however many shares are in the company is not good. So the stock is going down because this just happened today on Thursday, that he got sued. So if you go back to this article, I was reading about it, and basically right here it says that the lawsuit basically seeks for Elon Musk to, you know, get off of the executive board, which is one of the most serious punishments that the SEC can impose against a corporate executive. So basically they're just trying to get Elon Musk out of Tesla because he is being reckless and doesn't know what he's doing, and he's making false claims that will hurt investors. But now really the issue is SEC is now suing him, which is going to hurt even more investors. He didn't really hurt any investors in the beginning, but now they're getting hurt because of the SEC. And a lot of people are saying, like, look, you know, this is just the SEC planning everything out because all of these big oil companies think they're going to go out of business, and they don't want that to happen. So they're trying to get Tesla, you know, down, so they don't have to worry about electric cars, you know, taking over and not, you know, being able to make money off of oil with gas and stuff like that. But something that's interesting is gas and oil is just a natural resource. You know, we have no idea how much there actually is in the earth, and once it runs out, you know, there's no way of making any more of it because it's a natural resource. So these electric cars is just, you know, renewable energy. And it's sort of interesting to see what's going to happen in the future with cars and everything like that. You know, is everything going to be ran by electricity? Is it going to be gas still? We honestly have no idea how long it's going to take to transition everything to electric. And Elon Musk actually replied to them through a statement by Tesla, which says that, you know, this unjustified action by the SEC leaves me deeply saddened and disappointed. I have always taken action in the best interest of truth, transparency, and investors. Integrity is the most important value of my life, and the facts will show I never compromise this in any way. So as far as the tweet goes, I was reading another article about this tweet. This was August 13th, like 5 days after he made the tweet, that says Elon Musk reveals what he meant by his funding secured tweet. Basically, Musk said that Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund had brought up taking Tesla private multiple times during the past 2 years. So basically, he has a connection with this large, investment fund that wants to help take Tesla private, buy out the remaining shares and make it private company. So he says, Musk said he met with the fund's managing director on July 31st, and at the meeting, so Elon made the tweet, he said what he was trying to do, and then the stocks went up, and then now the SEC is trying to go after him because of it. So honestly, we have no idea what's going to happen from here. As you can see, the shares tumbled more than 12% in after hours trading after the SEC filed its lawsuit. So 12% of all the stocks of Tesla. So let's just say Tesla's worth 100 billion. I have no idea how much it is off the top of my head, but if it's 100 billion, then it was just taken to 88 billion, 12%, $12 billion. That's a lot of money. And of course, that's just numbers off the top of my head for easy math. But honestly, this makes me a little bit annoyed, I would say, just because Elon Musk is actually like one of my favorite entrepreneurs right now as far as, big innovative entrepreneurs, except for PayPal. He actually started PayPal, but PayPal, I have problems with PayPal. They always hold my money. It's just always been a mess as far as drop shipping and everything else goes. But he's definitely innovative and has some big plans. He's a very smart guy. He's, unlike other people, sort of like Mark Zuckerberg, one of those really, really smart guys. And just, this happened based on his lack of judgment or whatever. The SEC is just trying to go after him or whatever is happening. So I know this will just be a bump in the road for Elon. He'll get over it, not a big deal, and continue to grow his companies. It's not a big deal. I made a video on Elon Musk not too long ago, a few weeks ago, about how he smoked marijuana and that caused his stock percentage to drop 6%. But now we're looking at this and it's dropped 12% just off of the SEC suing him. So I'm sure the outcome will not end in Elon Musk actually being taken out of Tesla. I'm sure it'll be some kind of, resolution where he has to pay a certain amount of money, a fine, or we never know. So we'll see as it goes on and updates. But as far as it just happening today, this is all the information I have. And if you want to see more, then there's tons of articles out right now that have sort of showed what's going on. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.